Hi everyone, I'm Madam Pamita, and this is Madam Pamita's Parlor of Wonders. You can find me online at parlorofwonders.com. In this episode, we're going to be talking about the Major Arcana Tarot card that corresponds to the astrological sign of Capricorn. And here it is, the Devil card. I know what you're thinking. No, all Capricorns are not evil. They're not devilish. There's nothing like that that's associated. Part of this is the association that we see with Capricorn being this kind of half goat, half fish creature. And we see these goat horns on top of the devil, this goat-headed creature that's there. So it reminds us in a symbolic way of Capricorn. But there are also other elements of the Devil card that have to do with the energy of Capricorn. Capricorn is most definitely a sign that has control. We talk about structure, control, and things being, I want to say, following the rules. So with the Devil card, there is an energy of this that is about power structures and about control. So oftentimes when the Devil card shows up in a reading, we're looking at power struggles. So are we looking at someone who's trying to control you, or are you trying to control someone else, and so on. So Capricorn issues can sometimes deal with issues of control, self-control by all means, and also control of others. Are you in control and it's a pleasant experience for others, or is there an energy of being too controlling? Or are you suffering because someone is being too controlling of you? Or are you submitting to the control and at peace with it all? So we see this energy of the rules, the regulation, the control, that empowerment that comes with control that shows up with Capricorn. If you are seeing this in a reading, you'll remember the energy of Capricorn: structure, solidness, things being by the rules and regulation, by the book, and so on. If you are a Capricorn and the Devil card comes up, don't get fearful or nervous about it. It's a card that also can represent that strength that you have, that power that you have, and about the issues of control and how you deal with them in your life. If you want to have more control in your life, meaning you want to have control over a situation or self-control, then the Devil card is actually a good card to work with magically and to meditate on, because it is always dealing with that issue of control. And so there you have it, our Major Arcana Tarot card dealing with control issues, dealing with Capricorn astrological sign, and something that you can bring into your life when you want to have more sort of everything going by the book. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm Madam Pamita, and this is Madam Pamita's Parlor of Wonders. You can find me online at parlorofwonders.com. Be sure to go over to the website. I've got tarot readings over there, of course, but I've got a ton of other resources that you can use. Lessons, workshops, free videos, free how-to guides, and so much more. So I would love it if you would come over and see what I've got to offer you. Also, be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you will be among the first to know when a new video comes out. I'd love it if you join us here, be part of our tribe. We'd love to have you. Thank you so much for joining me, and I look forward to the next time we get together.